The Redmi 7 features a large 6.26-inch HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 providing protection against scratches and accidental drops. Choose from 3 colors: Lunar Red, Eclipse Black and Comet Blue. The phone is available in 2 memory variants, 2GB and 3GB RAM. Internal memory of 32GB is expandable up to 512GB with a dedicated microSD slot. The Redmi 7 is a dual SIM phone with dual standby. The 6.26-inch HD Plus dot-notch display has a bezel-less look and offers an immersive viewing experience. The body has a sleek, curved back cover with unique Aura Smoke design. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor placed at the back or with AI Face Unlock. The 12-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera allows you to capture shots with great detail even in low light conditions. Integrated with AI scene detection and AI portrait mode, the phone provides real-time photo optimization and clear silhouettes, recognizing up to 33 scenes. The 8-megapixel in-screen AI front camera comes with AI Beauty 4.0, accurately recognizes facial features and allows you to click clear selfies with features such as background blurring. Control the camera using palm gestures. The phone runs on Android Pie. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor featuring the Cairo 250 CPU provides for smooth multitasking and gaming. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery which can last up to 2 days. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, back cover, eject tool, user guide and warranty card. The Redmi 7 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other